How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I have an interesting ticker I want to talk about, and it is Root. As you're looking at right now, Root is up tremendously, and everyone's trying to think, do we keep buying calls, or should we start, selling out, or should we get some puts and make some massive gain? I'm going to let you guys know, so keep in tune. But before I get into the video, do keep in mind I have a service that is only $6 a month where I teach you guys how to find reversals at crucial inflection points where you can make massive money just on this ticker I'm about to talk about, on finding the bottoms and tops in any market. And I also go over my exact trade alerts that you can see in my system. But before I get into all that, let me show you the system to see if you're interested in and see exactly where we're at. Obviously, when things go way above my ATR, then we are in a squeeze pattern. That is what we're seeing. This thing is squeezing out the shorts, and it's up religiously for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days of massive green candles. And should we start selling, or should we start, seeing the short sides and making some put gains? I'm going to give you the answer to that. So keep in mind the bottom band is a buy zone, and when the price goes way up, this is going to go down, and because this is going way up and it's expanding everything. The blue band is where price has to go back to. I promise you it will, and it will do it in a certain amount of time frame. The longest I see is a month to 2 months, but no one really knows exactly when, but it will. As you can see, some other short signals we got was right in here. Price goes up and then it goes down to this blue band, but it does not mean you go right into a short or buy if you see it at the green or red band. Right in here was a nice little accumulation of a buy zone, because the thing that I see here right off the bat is a low K right in here. So this line right here is a KDJ. Lower the K along with near the bottom band is a nice area to load up for buying shares or calls, right? So right here we have a K of 7. And then right in here, it's touching the bottom band. And so these are accumulation zones. And then you sell it near the blue band. I usually do like half, making a nice little gain right there. And if you held a little longer, obviously it went up more. Right here was a nice little buy zone. Beautiful buy zone right here, going up here, making consistent return. So obviously we are into a squeeze pattern. And the one thing I do, I look at the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is what gives me... I do this for buying puts for sure, because when buyers squeeze the shorts, they tend to go up higher than it should. Right in here was the last weekly candle here, and it sold off. But now we're seeing probably one of the best put setups I've ever seen, as we're seeing this massive weekly candle. And these are the type of setups I like, because when you see price way above this red band, the most conservative target you can get it down to is right here at the top of the upper band, and then that's at $30, and then you can go between halfway between the blue band, right around $20. So this has a nice conservative target there. And then also you want to make sure that daily is well above it, but you want to make sure that we have a high K. So right in here, the K is only 76, 83, 86. None of these are areas you would short, because the K alone is not above 90. So you want to make sure, like, these are, even though it's above the band, you just wouldn't short it. But now we're looking at a K of 91.92. I would love to see a K of 94, and I guarantee you the K was at 94 at the top of this peak right in here as the price was going up, and then it started getting shorted down as it can't sustain. But this will go down, no worries. I've seen this before where the price keeps going up and then people start jumping on the train and then they start bag holding way up here. And it's just unfortunate, right? So we had earnings right here as we just started just rocking it after that, right? But the one thing you want to make sure is weekly gives you that confirmation. Then the daily, you try to look for a precise entry with a high K, and then RSI is at 95. That is actually ridiculously high. Yeah. So, but yeah, we didn't get no signal till right in here. I would wait till the 94K, then you can initiate your puts. And when I do puts, I like to do about 3 months out, because then you can keep scaling into them and make massive gains, right? So yeah, this is Root. I've seen these type of plays before. I caught SMCI at the top. I made a video on that. Made massive gains to the downside, and this is no other. This is just squeezing the shorts, and then after a while, the buyers are going to diminish, and it's going to correct to their equilibrium, which is this blue band eventually. If you guys enjoyed this video, please come over to the Discord. You're gonna love it. You're gonna see the system, and you can use it how any way you want it. Day trading, swing trading. I'm a swing trader because I don't want to be on my computer all the time. But to get in the Discord, to see the system, it is only $6 a month, and you will get my exact entries in the trade alert section, and you'll see my accumulation rules, and I have education videos on how to set up all this on your chart to make it look like yours, and I also am in the channel every day answering questions, answering people's questions, and if they're in trades, what they should do, what they think about this, and give my honest opinion, right? And because none of us has a crystal ball, but we can make decisions that have a high probability of risk versus reward. The reward for buyers at this point is just not there. The reward for sellers is out there. You want to be a buyer near this green band, and luckily enough, if you make it, hold it through all here, man, you might as well just buy yourself a beach house. That's insane if you bought it near this green band. Me most likely would have took this small gain in here because you just never know. But this just kept going up and up and up, right? So yeah, join the premium Discord. You won't regret it. It's only $6 a month, and you'll get all those resources, and it's probably the cheapest Discord you'll ever find for a high ratio of wins of over 90%, and it's just counting because we look for safe trades and we let the market come to us. And also, guys, if you want to find that, I'll put it into the YouTube comments and into the description of the my YouTube, where you can just click on it. And when you click on it, it'll direct you to a free chat where it'll take you to here. But what you want to do is you want to go click on the premium chat where it's under the subscriptions tab right here, and you will be opted in to subscribe for a monthly fee of $6. I also have how to subscribe if you're using Android, so do read that. And also, guys, if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about Root. Any type of engagement helps it spread to other retail traders and other people looking for a reversal on this. And I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope to see you in the Discord. And peace out. Happy trading.